Hey Booba Kitties, let's make a watermark for your YouTube videos, you guys, as your signature in Canva. So we're going to hop into Canva and swipe over to Instagram post. That's the aspect ratio, that is the template, that is the design, that is the size that we're going to be using for our watermark, Instagram post, okay? Now what we're going to do, Booba Kitties, you're going to upload an image. You don't need to have an image as your watermark. You can have an image with text, or you could just have text, but I'm going to do an image with text. So I'm going to select this image, select edit, and go to BG remover, which is background remover, because I want that transparent background when I do download this image to create my watermark. And I only want the upper part of my body to be a part of the watermark. So I'm just going to crop it like this. Cause she popping, nah. All right, so now that I have that, I'm gonna go into elements, and I kind of want like this smoke effect going on, and then I'm gonna place my text on top of that. So I'm gonna do white smoke, and I'm just gonna choose one of these options like this, because again, the way that I envision my watermark, you guys, is when I add this to my YouTube videos, I want it to be a transparent background. Now you can download your watermark with this white square that's going to be that is going to appear if you'd like as an option, but I want mine to be no background, so you just have my image, this smoky effect, and the text. So I'm just duplicating the smoke because I just want to add more layers, because you see how sharp that is. Like once I cropped my image, I just want that to be in the background, but it's still visible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go hop back into elements, and I'm going to go to under graphics. I'm going to go back actually, and under shapes, I'm going to select this square. All right, so boom. I'm going to tap this purple circle at the top and change the color to white, because I was like, you know what? I really want to cover up that sharp crop where it just looks like that straight harsh line. I don't like that. So I'm just going to cover that up with this white box, and I'm just adjusting the smoke here, you guys. Now I'm going to go into text, add a heading, and instead of writing out my full channel name, the girl with the guy's name, I'm going to do TGWTGN, which is like the acronym to my YouTube channel's name, Booba Kitties. All right, so just drag this down. I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to go to the upper left where it says Canva Sans, select that, and I'm going to go with Horizon because I want my text to have more bandwidth. And I'm going to just change the color. I'm going to tap these three dots. I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to go to Outline. I'm going to select this burgundy circle here and change the outline to black like this. And voila, we have a watermark. Now what we're going to do, Booba Kitties, is we are going to tap on to the top right, the arrow that's inside this half square pointing up. We're going to tap that. And I am going to save this image. Now I'm going to save this image two ways. So the first way that I would actually save this would be as a PNG with a transparent background. So you would tick off where it says transparent background before you download to make sure the background is removed. But I'm going to save it without a transparent background and with a transparent background, just to show you how it would look. So I'm going to download these two here like this. And again, you guys, you don't have to have an image for your watermark. You can just have text and do these exact same steps. Now we're going to hop into CAPCUT because I want to show you guys how this is going to look and how to really create that watermark translucent effect. So we're going to hop into CAPCUT, you guys. I'm going to just select a pre-edited video. This is the last video. Usually for my little watermark for my videos, I'll usually add text. You can see where it says the girl with the guy's name. It's like a pink neon text. That's what I usually add, you guys. But we're going to do like a more elevated advanced watermark for this video. So I'm just going to delete this here. This is usually like what I use for my little regular declaration, regular watermark Boo Boo Kitties. So I'm going to delete that. Delete. Now I'm going to go over to overlay, add overlay. I'm going to import this watermark. You see how this has no background? If it had a background, you guys, you would see that white square, right? But this is without a background, which I love because I want it to have a transparent background. I don't want that white square to pop up. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to slide over to opacity. Okay. And this is how you create that translucent effect, you guys. Okay. You hop over to opacity, tomato, and then you just take the watermark image and you drag it all the way to the end of your video so that it's showing throughout the duration of your video. Okay. Again, you just go over to opacity and you just adjust it so that it has that translucent effect. Now I'm going to delete this image, you guys, here. I'm going to delete this watermark download. And I went back to overlay and add overlay. And now I'm adding the image with the background. You see how it has that white square? Just wanted to show you guys how it would look. So this is one way to add your videos. I'm going to just slide over again to opacity and just drag this down here. This is one way to add your watermark to your videos. This is the second way to add the watermark to your videos, you guys. So you're going to go into YouTube Studio and you're going to go over to customization. Okay. Now underneath your profile tab, you're going to have your banner image, your profile picture, your channel links. We're going to slide all the way down. We're going to scroll all the way down where it says video watermark. All right. Now you can just hit this button where it says change and it will allow you to upload, or it'll probably say upload if you haven't added a watermark. It'll allow you to change the image to the watermark that we just downloaded from Canva. And you can have the watermark appear either at the end of your video, you can have it start at a custom start point, or you can have the watermark show during your entire video. And that is how you create and add a watermark for your video, Boo Boo Kitties. So shout out to my new Boo Boo Kitties. We just hit 5,500 Boo Boo Kitties, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah, 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 mwah.